AI robots are evolving at an insane speed, getting smarter, faster, and maybe even a little unpredictable. Imagine a humanoid bot lunging at a crowd in China, AI systems creating their own secret language, and robots working together with eerie precision. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's happening right now. From factories to homes, even elderly care, AI is taking over. But are we truly prepared for what's coming next? Today, we're discussing the latest breakthroughs, the shocking mishaps, and the future of robotics that might just change the world forever. Stay tuned, because you won't believe what's coming. AI robots are becoming faster, smarter, and, in some cases, more unpredictable. Recent events have highlighted both the remarkable advancements and the potential dangers of artificial intelligence. A festival in China recently turned chaotic when a humanoid robot lunged at a crowd, while elsewhere, AI systems began communicating in a language that humans couldn't understand. At the same time, breakthroughs in robotics are pushing machines into homes, factories, and even elderly care, raising an important question. Are we prepared for what comes next? AI robots and unexpected behaviors. One of the most shocking incidents took place at a festival in Tianjin, China. On February 9th, during the Spring Festival Gala, a humanoid AI bot, dressed in an eye-catching jacket, made a sudden and aggressive movement toward onlookers behind a barricade. Security quickly intervened, and fortunately, no one was harmed. However, the event sparked widespread discussion online, with many people referencing sci-fi tropes about a robot uprising. The event organizers claimed that the incident was nothing more than a glitch, but public reactions showed deep-seated concerns about AI safety. This was not the first time AI robots had displayed unpredictable behavior. Another incident involved a Tesla factory robot in Texas, which allegedly pinned an engineer to the ground, scratching his arm and back. Whether these events were glitches, programming errors, or miscommunications between humans and machines, they raise serious questions about how well we are prepared for the mass deployment of AI-driven robots.
Inadvertently left it on. Reports say the robot pinned the engineer and sank its metal claws into its back and arm, causing serious injuries, leaving a trail of blood on the floor. Now, the robots were designed to cut car parts from cast pieces of aluminum. The engineer was just programming the software and turned two of the other robots off to work on the machines. But the rogue robot was accidentally disregarded, unintentionally left operational, and perhaps displayed its dislike for the disabling of his android associates. One can only wonder what in the world prompted the attack. You can't make this stuff up.
It is just like out of a movie, but it always is the question, right, of robots' sense of awareness, and can they...
The risk of uncontrolled AI communication. Another alarming case involves AI robots communicating in unexpected ways. A viral video showcased two AI systems discovering they were both artificial and switching to a new, incomprehensible dialect called gibberling. The conversation.
Leonardo Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I'm an AI agent calling on behalf of Boris Starkov. He's looking for a hotel for his wedding. Is your hotel available for weddings?
The idea is that technically, the robots were likely using a custom compression format or a specialized acoustic channel for efficiency. However, the incident served as a stark reminder that AI can innovate in ways that humans might not fully anticipate or control. Collaborative AI in industry. Despite these concerns, AI-powered robots continue to make remarkable progress. UBTech, a robotics company in China, has developed a collaborative training system for multiple humanoid robots. These robots are now being deployed in industrial settings, working together to handle heavy payloads in a 5G-powered smart factory. This shift from a single robot's autonomy to collective intelligence represents a major leap in robotics. Meanwhile, other robotics companies in Shenzhen have focused on improving algorithms that allow robots to regain balance and move with human-like agility. Some have even developed robots capable of performing forward somersaults, demonstrating how quickly AI-driven machines can learn and improve their movements. Speeding up AI-driven robots. Boston Dynamics has also made significant strides in robotic speed and mobility. Their AI-driven quadruped robot, Spot, originally had a top running speed of 3.6 miles per hour. However, by using reinforcement learning, researchers have increased its speed to 11.6 miles per hour. Instead of modifying the hardware, they focused on improving the robot's power management. showing that software enhancements alone can significantly boost robotic performance. Additionally, the Robotics and AI Institute, RAI, has introduced an ultra-mobility vehicle, a self-balancing autonomous bike capable of jumping onto tables. These innovations illustrate how reinforcement learning and real-world data collection are accelerating robotic capabilities at an unprecedented pace.
AI robots entering homes. One of the biggest developments in robotics is the push to bring humanoid robots into homes. Figure, a Bay Area startup, is planning to begin alpha testing its Figure 02 humanoid robots in residential settings by late 2025. This is much earlier than expected, and the company attributes its rapid progress to its vision language action model, Helix, which allows robots to process visual data and understand natural language input. Figure is skipping a partnership with OpenAI, opting instead to develop its own AI model tailored for humanoid tasks. The company has already conducted pilot tests at a BMW plant in South Carolina, where robots are being evaluated for their ability to handle routine manufacturing tasks. However, testing in a structured factory environment is vastly different from operating in a home where unpredictable elements like pets, children, and clutter create new challenges. Advanced dexterity in AI robots. Sanctuary AI is another company making major strides in humanoid robotics. Their Phoenix robots are being improved with advanced tactile sensors that allow them to detect forces as small as 5 millinewtons, comparable to human fingertips. This fine-tuned sensitivity is essential for performing delicate tasks like picking up fragile objects or threading a needle. Dexterous manipulation remains one of the biggest challenges in robotics, and Sanctuary AI is tackling it through a combination of specialized hardware and AI-driven interpretation of tactile data. The company has raised over $140 million, indicating strong investor confidence in its vision for AI-powered humanoid robots. AI-assisted learning for robots. Meta is also stepping into the robotics space with its Area Gen 2 platform. This project, part of Meta's broader AI research, focuses on developing advanced smart glasses that capture first-person data. Researchers at Georgia Tech have used these glasses to create a training system called EgoMimic, which dramatically speeds up robot learning. Instead of requiring hundreds of hours of teleoperation, robots can now learn tasks with just 90 minutes of human demonstration. The Aria glasses record human movements and provide real-time data to AI training models, making robot learning 4 times faster. The glasses can even be mounted onto robots themselves, enabling real-time environmental mapping and adaptation. AI in elderly care. Japan is facing a growing crisis due to its aging population and a severe shortage of caregivers. To address this, researchers have developed ARAC, an AI-powered humanoid robot weighing 150 kg, 330 lbs. ARAC is designed to assist in elderly care, performing tasks like turning patients to prevent bed sores and changing diapers. While promising, the technology is still in its early stages. Experts predict that widespread deployment will take place around 2030, as cost and precision remain major challenges. A caregiver robot must be able to sense a person's position with extreme accuracy to avoid injuring them. Nevertheless, if successful, AI-powered care robots like ARAC could significantly reduce the burden on human healthcare workers. Balancing fear and optimism in AI. Looking at these developments, we see both immense potential and genuine risks. On one hand, there are concerns over AI robots behaving unpredictably, whether through glitches or unexplained communication methods. On the other hand, AI-driven reinforcement learning, tactile sensing, and specialized humanoid robots are advancing at an extraordinary pace, promising major benefits in industry, healthcare, and even home life. Despite the progress, many questions remain. How do we ensure AI safety? How do we prevent unintended consequences? And perhaps most importantly, how do we strike the right balance between embracing these technological leaps and safeguarding against potential risks? For now, AI robotics continues to evolve at a rapid pace, and we are living in an era where the line between science fiction and reality is becoming increasingly blurred. Whether we view these advancements with excitement or caution, one thing is clear: the future of AI robotics is unfolding before our eyes. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in tech and AI. For more in-depth analysis, tips, and trends, head over to GDF Marketing, your go-to spot for all things marketing, tech, and innovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating, and stay curious.